Hello and welcome to our channel Mockup. Today we are going to show you how to create a main tank top mockup. If you want, this mockup link can be found in the description. So let's get started. Now first let's create a shape by using pen tool. Let's do first forward the time. Create a rectangle and make it a smart object. Now select the item and mask out the smart object. Create 3 copies of background layer, light, midtone and shadow. Set multiply to shadow layer and adjust the color level. Set linear dodge, add to the midtone layer, adjust the color level. Mix green to the light layer, adjust the color level. Lower the fells. Select the marks and select inverse selection, then come to the background and create a solid color layer. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates.